Plastic, by nature. Cities, people, shaped by fingertips of the powerful, who trace boutiques and lace their chains through maps of homes and building blocks. Malleable, though mature. City centres burn, hot synthetic bonds turn videotapes, MSN, blockbuster nights of community centre mornings, pantomime, arts and crafts, the girl next door, to melt and mould. And in their shapes are new forgotten stories sold by violent voices, recycled cheap to suburbs cold. By nature, highest bidder wins. New temples magnetize congregations from across the counties into one. They repel the non-believers far away. Who's to say it sure that your assumption of a house and a family and an income and a school is definitive? Because the people that live in the office blocks will not turn back the clocks to recognise the childhood lies that were planted in millennial minds that find a future ill-equipped to deal in how communities feel about their centres, bulldozed. So they are displaced, disgraced. Generic design darkens the light of our city. The young fight and refute. And while the rich dispute, we pay for the privilege to commute. Plastic numbs the sentiment weak, and the people I love seek connections in apps and media and technology. When the psychology of forming bonds relies on plastic, demanded by the cities, so they snap on command. A rush to invest this generational epidemic of piercing mental health infects the cities severed by this influx of wealth. It's our fight, despite the threat of soulless streets that regret what's imposed. Suppose we fight our way for a tomorrow more full than yesterday, a chance to identify the generalized, to include the marginalized, to touch the desensitized. Suppose we use our voice. Because cities, towns, suburbs, people, we are plastic by choice.